Apple Music easily ranks among the most polished music streaming platforms available today. The interface feels premium, the recommendations are genuinely good, and the catalog is massive. For many people, that's more than enough. But listening habits aren't the same for everyone. Not everyone streams music every single day. A lot of users are casual listeners, people who might play music once or twice a week, usually while driving, jogging, or traveling. And for them, paying the same monthly subscription as someone who listens all day can feel a bit excessive. That difference becomes even clearer once you step outside normal, everyday use. In my case, when I go trekking, I intentionally avoid using my phone. I don't want notifications, I don't want to constantly check battery percentage, and I definitely don't want my phone dying halfway through a long hike. Instead, I prefer carrying a small pocket MP3 player. It's lighter, distraction-free, and most importantly, the battery lasts far longer than a smartphone. On top of that, most of the treks I like to do don't have network coverage for nearly 70 to 80% of the entire route. In situations like that, music has to be fully offline and reliable with zero dependence on signal or background syncing. This is where having real control over your music starts to matter. Apple Music also isn't a guaranteed backup system, and restoring everything exactly the way it was doesn't always happen smoothly. This is exactly where ViWizard Apple Music Converter fits in. ViWizard focuses on one simple idea, giving you permanent access to your Apple Music library. It allows you to convert Apple Music tracks, iTunes content, and other protected audio into open formats like MP3, M4A, WAV, AIFF, and FLAC. Once converted, DRM is completely removed. Your music becomes truly portable, meaning it can be played on any phone, laptop, MP3 player, or external drive without internet access, subscription checks, or sync errors. Audio quality is where ViWizard really separates itself from basic converters. ViWizard preserves the original audio quality and supports lossless exports with high bit rates, sample rates up to 192 kHz, and 24-bit depth. If compatibility is more important than lossless files, MP3 exports go all the way up to 320 kbps, which is more than enough for most listeners without noticeable quality loss. Conversion speeds are also impressive on both macOS and Windows, whether you're converting a single album or an entire multi-thousand-song library. Using ViWizard is refreshingly straightforward. You download it from the link in the description, install it, and after opening the app, head to the menu in the top right corner and open Preferences. This is where you decide how your music is saved. You can choose your preferred output format, tweak audio quality, customize file names, and select exactly where the converted files will be stored on your system. Next, browse through your Apple Music library or use the built-in Apple Music web player to locate the songs, albums, or full playlists you want to keep offline. When you find what you need, simply hit the plus icon to queue them up for conversion. Once everything is added, click the Convert button and let ViWizard do the rest. In the background, ViWizard downloads and converts your selected tracks into DRM-free audio files in your chosen format. The result is music you actually own, ready to play anywhere, anytime, without restrictions or subscription limits. If you want full control over your Apple Music library and the freedom to listen on your terms, check out the first link in the description and take ownership of your music.